Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled salami, cheese, and egg sandwich. So let's get started. Okay, for the main ingredients to make our delicious grilled salami, cheese, and egg sandwich, we have 2 nice slices of white bread here that we're going to use. And over here is our salami. There's 4 nice slices of salami there. Yep. And back here we have 5 slices of American cheese. It's going to be cheesy. And over here we have a nice egg. It's a large egg. And all we have to do now is get ready to start cooking. So let's start cooking. Okay guys, we're going to be using our nice large cast iron skillet to make this nice salami and cheese sandwich with a nice egg on top. So let's set our burner to medium low. And we'll go ahead and put a little oil in the pan, not much. Okay, our pan seems hot enough. Now we're going to go ahead and crack 1 egg in there. Okay guys, our egg's done. Let's see if it's stuck, right? Boy, is that thin. Alright. Nope, didn't stick. Let's go ahead and put that on a plate. Look at that egg. Can you see it? That is just beautiful right there. Let me see if I can get that unfolded. Okay, there you go. Look at that egg. That's done perfectly. Really nice. Okay, let's put this aside for now. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and set our burner to medium high. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our nice salami slices and we'll put them right in there. Okay, let's see how we're doing. We'll flip them over. Okay, they look pretty good. Okay, let's check them again. They look pretty good. Okay, they got nice crisp edge around there. All right, let's stack them up here and we'll put them aside. Okay, let's go ahead and wipe out our pan. As you can see, nothing stuck. Now we're going to go ahead and add our buttered bread here to the pan, right? Butter side down. And we'll take the other piece, put it in there. Now we're going to go ahead and build our nice salami and cheese sandwich with our egg. So we'll take a piece of American cheese and we'll put that right on top of there, just like that. Then we'll take a nice piece of our salami and put it right on there. Okay. Then we'll take another slice of cheese. Yep. Another slice of our salami. Put that right on there. Another slice of cheese. Okay. Another slice of salami on top of that. Another slice of cheese on top of that salami. Another piece of salami here. Beautiful. And another slice of cheese on top of that. Wow. This is going to be a big one. What else is new, right? Okay guys, now we're going to take our beautiful egg here that we just fried up. And we're going to put that right on top of there. Just like this. Look at that. That's big. Now we're going to go ahead and add just a little bit of salt. Not much. A little bit of pepper. And I'm going to put a little garlic powder on there. Not much. Just a little bit. And because our salami is smoky, we're going to add a little smoked paprika on top of there. Beautiful. And we'll take our nice piece of bread here and we'll put that on top. Look at that. Okay, let's put this in the middle. Push down on him a little bit. Boy, this is going to be good. And it's big already. You know? How is it I always start out small and it ends up like this? Like you can feed 2 people with 1 sandwich. That's just the way it is. But like everybody else, you're in control of your own kitchen. You can do what you want, right? It's just that mine keep growing. As I add, you know, different things to the recipe, it keeps getting bigger. Okay, we'll let that toast on that side for a little bit and it should be done. Okay guys, let's flip that back over there and see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's really cheesy. I'm gonna tell you, look at the cheese coming out of there. That's really, really good. Okay guys, our delicious sandwich is done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner. And let's get that out of there. Okay, here we go. Wow. Look at that sandwich. Can you see it? And look at that egg. And all that salami. Boy, this is going to taste good. Really good. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a bite because I can't wait. This smells wonderful. Alright, let's have a taste. Here it is, guys. Our delicious grilled salami, cheese, and egg sandwich. Look at that sandwich. That is just beautiful right there. And that sandwich is loaded with 4 slices of salami and 5 slices of American cheese and an egg that we put on there. Yep. Plus we season it, so it's going to taste good. I just know it is. Alright, let's go ahead and cut it in half and see how it is. Okay guys, let's pick it up and see how it is. Oh yeah. Look at the cheese and the egg in there. Is that good looking or what? That's really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one down here. And we'll go ahead and have a bite of this one right here. Doesn't that look good? And look at that egg. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and have a bite. Boy, is that tasty. Just go ahead and make them this way, you know. Make sure you get enough salami on there and plenty of cheese. And you put that egg in there. Boy, does this make a nice lunch. Okay, I'm going to put this down so you can see it. Okay, since I'm having this for a nice lunch, and it has egg in there and all that, and it tastes like a breakfast, but I'm calling it like a lunch or a brunch, right? I'm going to have a nice hot cup of coffee with this one. Doesn't that sound good? It sure does. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Grilled salami, cheese, and egg sandwich. That's what's for lunch today. You can't beat that right there. Boy, is that a big sandwich. And look at the cheese coming out of there. It's loaded with cheese. It just keeps oozing out of there. Boy, is that tasty.